Ki Pulit ke Jela Meghalaya hakakat kenai terik ujiliau arajar apusan. Kelawan ra abiang ya ka Sonam ragu banci rengkat bagi sangut ke Bahasa Akem halur gejing subadun ti ban peniap iu raja Hawai Saudong. Kedin balakut gejing aipor ke cari ban Tohkit ya ki sangut. Hagen yang Sngi ki Pulit ke layo ar Sngi ke polis kastedi na gebenta ka Sonam ragu banci baduraj ke Shwaha. Katba kilaingut ki waipat lapa syaka Judicial custody. Haba kerani gelak patai kubor, Superintendent ki Pulit ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem. Ulito bagi Pulit ke lapan por saar Sngi na kebentak polis custody. Na kebentak uraj koshwaha bat ke Sonam, katba ya kilaingut pat lapa syaka Judicial custody. Kani kalong na kebentak ban ap ya kajing lap, kenhun Pulit ke belahir endor, na kebentak ban le kajing Tohkit halor kani kakam. Bat onda ke lawan fai, on selak ban rai, kai kebakin le hadian.
Myself and Jyoti.
Okay. Can you tell us how many days?
एक मिनट
करो नीचे करो माइक.
Sonam and her boyfriend is given 2 days police custody, and others they were remanded for judicial custody.
Others how many?
Repeat, please. Sonam and this Raj Kushwa given 2 days police custody, and others, that is Anand, Vishal and Akash, they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Sir, your name?
My name is T. Chanda, and my colleague additional PP, she was there, Jyoti K. Marak, from the prosecution side. And from legal aid, Mr. Sudeep Rana and Priti Pradhan appeared.
Sir,
What
is the reason that only 2 days?
No, that I can, that is for investigation. No.
Uba Vivek Siem uloong bagajing Tohkit halor kani kambokot duma kalayat ceprang nama gejing Tohkit kalayat mentala prasngi. Dai kani ka arsngi ru kadai namar bagadang don gejing mi na gejing yat gejing Tohkit. Namar gikan hun Pulit na gejela kidang na endor ban Tohkit iki bahayang ka Sonam. Rengkat badiwe beliau belayalam ke Sonam Shah Uttar Pradesh berbeliau tu bahasa kesisat jan kensia lambiang Syakiyek Syari. Halor Sanjay Verma uba Vivek Siem beliau tu bagadai tangga kerteng ke bersyuai dengan Sonam haga phone joka. Namar unambar udai jong uraj koshwaha. Bagajinya phone hi hapreng ke Sonam bo uraj kadai ke bebuan kumbala kedau hakilat patai kubor. Ula penting bro bagi Pulit hi kidang wat se kawai ke phone jong Sonam namar bagi siar bagi tiar kidang ja bagi Sonam kala ia syat hi. Te ka kenhon menta kadang wat yakini sya kini kijaka bagi Sonam kelapoi. Namar kumbaga pau bagi ni kitiar ladon bapen kan ria ada manur te ka kenhon hi kadang Tohkit manu balik akhirnya kakam. Halor kejengkam kawai ke beliau bagi syong boslang bat ke Sonam hakah nyau terik ujiliau loong bakani kadai kebam shisha namar ka Sonam kadon ha endor hakani ke Sngi bakani ka beliau kai i bachong bos banno ki Pulit ru kimtep.
See, the second team is still looking for that second phone out there, because we believe that second phone is probably with the jewelry and other items which Sonam has left behind. And we were hoping that when the team goes there and the place was locked, so the items of Sonam would be there. But it appears that it has been shifted from there by somebody, and the team is out there to ascertain who has taken it and where all these items are. See, we've reached out to him, and we've written to Instagram to give us details about. We've already reached out to him, but he has not answered back to us. But we've already taken up with Instagram to give us details so that his statement can be recorded also. See, the passenger who has said that she met on the 7th. It does not add up, because Sonam was still in Indore on the 7th. So who she saw out there, I don't know. So that becomes irrelevant, because whether she really saw Sonam or not is cannot be taken as a fact, because Sonam on the 8th was still in Indore. I've just come to know that we've got 2 days of police custody. We asked 2 days police custody for Raj and Sonam, and we've got those 2 days police custody. We have sent the 3 other accused, Anand, Vicky and Akash, to judicial custody, and as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we are taking 2 days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that. No, investigation is already in progress, and we've already taken 8 days of police custody. These 2 days we'll be taking because after the 2 days are over, then we'll do a lot of analysis also because, like I said, the team is out there in Indore, and we don't want to lose out because we will still have another 4 days with us after the 2 days of police custody. So we are taking piecemeal. Once we have done the 2 days, then we'll do analysis and investigation, and then again, if required, we will take police custody. See, they already done the questioning of Govind Raghuvanshi out there, Govind's mother, and today they have ascertained who the driver was who took Sonam to UP. No, this name I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself.
So, Raj Kushwaha, total how many phone calls in 4 days, sir? 119 or 234?
See, regarding those statistics, I'll not be able to tell you. I don't know where you got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge.